but I'm helping out another teacher, and I can't drive like this every day, but you see me during the year, you see me. So I take students on this route. In fact, I'm gonna make a right turn in here. I'm gonna do a couple parking maneuvers. I'm gonna squeeze my brakes. And then you should be able to hear the blinker, and I'm gonna go around to the right. So if any of you were here with me, let's go ahead and make a left turn in here. And this is a parking lot, and we're gonna do some stall parking. I'm gonna go into the right. You see me turning the wheel, right? Bam, that's in. So I have to walk it like I talk it. And if I'm showing you I can park, if I can park, then you can park. But you're probably saying, you're an instructor. I am. So I got a model. So I'm gonna back up, and I'm gonna look. Let's pretend this is my back camera. I'm looking left and right. I'm gonna turn my wheel to the right. The rear goes to the right. The front swings out to, he says, exactly. So I gotta know what I'm doing. Now I'm in drive. Okay, I'm gonna come up here. Yeah, we were here earlier today, and then I'm gonna make a right turn. And I'm gonna go in here. I'm doing some little tight parking maneuvers. I'm showing you, if you were with me, what we can do. Now I'm gonna pick a spot on the left. I'm just splitting the parking spot in half, and bam, there I go. That's another stop. There I go again, right? I'm modeling. You see me, I know I'm looking crazy. I had that iced coffee from Tim Hortons because I'm tired, but it's been a really impactful day. I had a lot of drivers helping them. Yep. Now I'm gonna reverse. Let's pretend you're my backup camera. I'm gonna reverse back, and then I'm gonna turn the wheel to the left. The rear goes to the left. The front swings out to the right. You see me looking, and then I'm gonna put it in drive. So let's pretend the backup camera just went off. Then I'm gonna make a left. If you were here with me, you're gonna park in 5 spots. I would say park in 5 spots. Okay, now I'm gonna go around. Okay, you see that blue Scat Pack over there. So if I see the road clear, incoming traffic, it's good to turn. Yes, I didn't realize you were live. Yes, girl, I'm live, right? Hopefully my battery will hold up, and I'm gonna turn right in this parking spot. Bam, okay. I got a model. I have to model what I'm doing. And by me modeling, you're like, okay, if he's doing it, then I can do it. I'm trying to give you reasons why you should be looking at this video. You should be commenting on this video. I've been driving. You came on this morning. I went home. I drove 8 to 11, went home for an hour and a half, and make sure all those thumbs. Yes, you already know, Okay, I'm gonna put it in reverse. I'm looking over my shoulder. I'm gonna go back. I'm not hitting that gas hard. I don't wanna hit someone. I'm gonna come out slow. Then let's pretend the backup camera's straight. I'm gonna put it in drive. Okay, and then we're by a little area. This is Dollar Tree, right? You know how it is. You know what we do. Catch them sales. Okay, then I'm gonna go down. This is another great area to park. You have to be able to parallel park, stall park, angle park. Park, park, park. Sound like Rihanna. Work, 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 work. So we're gonna make a right turn. Then I'm gonna turn the wheel. And then I'm gonna pick a spot on the left. I turn on my blinker, and bam, you're gonna see me. I whipped it that time. I'm gonna come up, boom, I'm in the spot again. I'm modeling what you should do, right? And then of course I got my blue crispy shirt. Yesterday, I'll be rotating them shirts. You know what I do? Got these Meta Ray-Bans on. They're really good for making content. I try to keep it fun. I know I'm a little crazy. If you work like 8 or 10 hours, you be out your mind too. But it's a really good feeling. Yes, let me show you, these glasses are dope. You see the little, yep, right? And then Meta has a second set. They did a collaboration with Oakley. The limited edition of $4.99. I'm gonna wait till they get the regular version of $3.99. These cost about $378. I had these about 8 months. Got them off of Amazon. Love these, right? Hard working, be real. And then one of my students, his grandfather has a Porsche. Whoa, what was that? All right, I'm gonna put this in reverse. I'm looking, I'm gonna turn the wheel to the left. Okay, I'm looking. Then I'm gonna put it in drive. Let's pretend the backup camera came off. So I'm in a parking lot area near a Walmart. Walmarts are across the country. Okay, it was some horn or something. I thought someone was honking at me. They not honking at me because I'm by myself with their cars. And then I'm gonna make a left turn. Do you have enough? I got gas, but the gas card that I have, and I'm gonna talk about this for a second. I'm gonna pause, put it in park. The gas card that the company gave me didn't work. So you know what I've been telling you, always have spare money. So my son went to Florida. I gave him like 60 bucks. I only got $2 left, but I had a 20 in here. Always have extra money. Sometimes your debit or credit card doesn't work. So I had to put gas in the car. I'm driving around. Usually I spend about $41 every 2 days for gas driving teens and adults. It's expensive. It's real. You got to have JOB if you want to be with me. Real talk. Real talk. Okay, I'm going to put it in reverse. I'm looking. I'm going to turn the wheel to the left. The rear goes to the left. The front swings out to the right. You see me looking. Now I'm going to hit the... Now we're in drive. So I stay on the right. R-I-G-H-T. Okay, I'm going to move forward. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a turn in here. I'm going to talk about this car you're going to see. Yeah, Dale, I know you're laughing, bro. Okay, let's talk about this car for a second. This is a Scat Pack. They're across the country. This is the #1 stolen car. Doesn't it look beautiful? My son has the GT version, one step down for that. 400 horsepower. It's got the Pentastar engine in there. They steal these like candy. Okay, so guys across and ladies across the United States, they're drifting, drag racing. I know it's nice. Isn't that a beautiful color? My battery's at 15. I'm going to try to make it through. Isn't that a beautiful color? But if you have one of those boys, you better have a club. You better have a kill switch because they steal those. I had a SS Trailblazer, one of my first videos.